Step into the avant-garde world of makeup artistry with the Editorial and Avant-Garde Makeup Tutorial. In this comprehensive guide, we're delving into the realm of creativity, unveiling the techniques and inspiration behind crafting striking and unconventional makeup looks. Whether you're a makeup enthusiast looking to push boundaries or a professional seeking to expand your artistic repertoire, this tutorial is your passport to unleashing your inner artist and embracing the limitless possibilities of makeup. The Editorial and Avant-Garde Makeup Tutorial is an exploration of makeup as a form of self-expression, where colors, textures, and techniques become your artistic palette. It's an immersive journey through the world of avant-garde makeup, where rules are broken and conventions are challenged. Within this guide, we'll uncover the secrets behind creating looks that transcend the ordinary, using makeup as a means to tell a story, evoke emotions, and challenge perceptions. At the heart of this tutorial is the mastery of pushing the boundaries of makeup. We'll delve into the art of conceptualizing and executing unconventional looks that are both captivating and thought-provoking. By mastering techniques such as intricate detailing, precise color placement, and innovative texture manipulation, we'll guide you in creating makeup masterpieces that defy expectations. Techniques take center stage in the Editorial and Avant-Garde Makeup Tutorial. We'll lead you through a step-by-step journey of application artistry that goes beyond conventional makeup. With precision and an artistic eye, we'll show you how to experiment with colors, textures, and shapes to create looks that challenge norms and ignite creativity. Whether you're aiming for an abstract expression or a narrative-driven concept, each technique equips you with the skills to embrace the full spectrum of avant-garde makeup. However, this tutorial is not just about makeup application, it's about embracing your inner artist and pushing the boundaries of your creative expression. Allow your imagination to roam freely as you explore new possibilities and experiment with unconventional materials, colors, and forms. Ultimately, the Editorial and Avant-Garde Makeup Tutorial empowers you to view makeup as a dynamic art form that transcends traditional beauty standards. It's a reminder that makeup isn't just about enhancing features, it's about creating visual poetry, conveying emotions, and challenging perceptions. With the knowledge of avant-garde makeup techniques and the spirit of artistic exploration as your guide, let's embark on this journey of mastering the art of unconventional beauty. By the tutorial's conclusion, you'll not only have perfected the skills to create striking and avant-garde makeup looks but also gained a profound understanding of how makeup can be a transformative tool for expressing your artistic vision. With gratitude for joining us on this exploration of makeup artistry, let's seamlessly transition into the world of the Editorial and Avant-Garde Makeup Tutorial, a world where technique merges harmoniously with the boundless realm of creativity, resulting in makeup looks that challenge the ordinary and celebrate the extraordinary.